Tonight on Tennis World Update, we dive into the unfolding story surrounding British tennis star Emma Raducanu, who has officially withdrawn from two highly anticipated exhibition events in the United States. Her absence has reshaped both tournaments and denied fans a long-awaited reunion between Raducanu and world number one Carlos Alcaraz. As we break down the details, remember that staying informed is crucial in a fast-moving tennis world. So if you enjoy detailed and accurate tennis reporting like this, consider subscribing to stay ahead of every update. Raducanu withdraws from two U.S. events. Emma Raducanu was expected to headline two exhibition tournaments in Newark and Miami next month, facing Wimbledon finalist Amanda Anisimova. Both events were packed with star power, including men's world number one Carlos Alcaraz. However, organizers confirmed on Monday that Raducanu has pulled out of both tournaments due to injury. Their statement clarified the change. Pegula will replace Emma Raducanu, who dropped her participation due to injury. This development immediately reshuffled matchups and altered fan expectations for the off-season showcase. If you find these breaking updates helpful, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss important changes like this. The injury update. It has been revealed that Raducanu is dealing with light bone bruising in her right foot, a condition described as minor but significant enough to warrant rest. This comes after a difficult close to her 2025 season, including a first-round loss in Ningbo, where she had her vitals checked courtside, and a retirement during the Wuhan Open. These health setbacks forced her to end her season early due to illness and ongoing physical discomfort. In an effort to strengthen her recovery and long-term conditioning, Raducanu has now hired Emma Stewart, a respected physiotherapist from British rowing's Olympic program. This indicates a serious commitment to rebuilding ahead of the new season. Pegula steps in. In Raducanu's absence, world number 6, Jessica Pegula, has stepped in to take her place in both exhibition events. Pegula will also partner with Carlos Alcaraz in the much-promoted mixed doubles tiebreak at the Miami Invitational. The new schedule features Pegula versus Anisimova in both events, Alcaraz versus Frances Tiafoe in New Jersey, and Alcaraz versus Joao Fonseca in Miami. The showcase will end with the mixed doubles match featuring Pegula and Alcaraz against Anisimova and Fonseca. These adjustments ensure the events remain competitive, even though fans were deeply anticipating Raducanu's presence. Missing the Alcaraz reunion. One of the biggest fan disappointments is that this withdrawal eliminates a potential reunion between Raducanu and Alcaraz, who teamed up earlier in the year at the US Open for a memorable mixed doubles appearance. Their chemistry, charisma, and popularity had made the Miami Invitational one of the most talked-about exhibition events of the off-season. Unfortunately, Raducanu's injury means that matchup will have to wait. With so many shifting storylines in tennis, subscribing ensures you never miss a major moment like this, especially when the biggest stars cross paths. Raducanu's 2026 plans. Despite this setback, Raducanu has already mapped out her return. She is committed to starting her 2026 season at the United Cup, a mixed team event hosted across Perth and Sydney. She will compete alongside Jack Draper, Billy Harris, Lloyd Glasspool, Mimi Xu, and Olivia Nichols, representing Team Great Britain. Their group features two powerhouse nations, Greece, led by Maria Sakkari, and Stefanos Tsitsipas, and Japan, featuring Naomi Osaka and Shintaro Mochizuki. Raducanu is currently enjoying her off-season, recently celebrating her 23rd birthday and attending England's victory over the All Blacks at Twickenham. She has also extended her partnership with Spanish coach Francis Roig, signaling stability within her team heading into 2026. What this means for her career. Emma Raducanu's career remains one of the most compelling journeys in modern tennis, marked by remarkable highs like her historic 2021 US Open triumph, but also by persistent injury setbacks and adjustments behind the scenes. With a new physio, a trusted coach, and a carefully planned January comeback, there is optimism that 2026 could be a turning point. Fans and analysts alike agree that while the withdrawals are disappointing, they reflect a smarter, more long-term approach to her health and performance. As the tennis world continues to evolve, Emma Raducanu remains a central figure, captivating fans with her talent, resilience, and ability to bounce back. Her decision to prioritize recovery now could be the key to unlocking her strongest season yet. If you want to follow every development in Raducanu's journey, along with news on Alcaraz and the biggest names in global tennis, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay connected.